This is the best ClickBank tutorial you're ever gonna come across that's gonna teach you how to actually get real results in your business, finally stop struggling, and finally get sales that's gonna go ahead and get you one step closer to walking away from that 9 to 5 and finally getting results online. Stick through this whole video and you're gonna go ahead and your mind's gonna be blown.
Over habits of my heart, I can't say no. It's ripping me apart.
Alright guys, so as stated before, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and teach you guys how to make money on ClickBank in 2018 and exactly how to make $200 per day plus with this exact training. So make sure you pay close attention, right? Now before we actually step behind the ClickBank platform, let me go ahead and break down the actual process. And before I do that, the first link in the description will be the copy paste profit funnel template that you're going to need to actually participate in this training, right? So you might want to stop this video, go to the first link in the description, click the link, grab access to the copy paste profit funnel, and then we'll be able to continue. Perfect, you're back. So here's what we're going to need, right? We're going to need 3 key things, right? Number 1 is we're going to need traffic. Number 2 is we're going to go ahead and need a sales funnel. Number 3 is we're going to need a follow-up. And then number 4 is obvious, we're going to need a ClickBank product, right? So how does this process work? I know this looks a little bit crazy here, right? But this is going to all make sense in a second, right? Now, basically, just to show you guys, I just created this with ClickFunnels, less than 10 minutes. And the way I created this, guys, is I created this with the copy paste profit funnel. You click the first link in the description, and you literally get access to this template to where you can literally plug and play any of these offers, right? So guys, basically I created this funnel. We'll break it down in a second how I created it, but that's what we're going to be sending traffic to, right? Now basically once people actually put in their email, they're going to go ahead and get access to this ClickBank offer that we're attaching on the back end. But the key importance of capturing that email is right here, right? The fortune is in the follow-up. Basically 9 out of 10 people who actually click on your offer aren't going to buy it, right? It takes time for you to actually build a relationship with people before they decide to make a purchase with you, right? So with that being said, how we're going to go ahead and warm these people up is with these emails, right? These email follow-up series, and we'll break that down. How literally 90% of everything I'm showing you in this video can be done for you, right? And last but not least, we're going to need to find a ClickBank offer. Now, basically how this works is we're driving traffic to the sales funnel. Then they once they put in their email, they get access to the video, which is the sales presentation, which is already done for you. And I'm going to show you guys how these emails can be done for you as well. But what's going to happen is if they don't buy the first time after you send paid traffic, then what's going to happen is these emails will follow up. And when these emails follow up, they'll buy maybe on the 7th email, the 10th email, or whatever that looks like, right? So let's get to it. Now, first and foremost, let's find a ClickBank offer, right? Now, basically what I did was I went to Marketplace. And once you go to Marketplace, in this example, we're doing e-business and e-marketing. Now, guys, I do not endorse 5-minute profit sites. It's actually a very trash offer. And I did my own due diligence and my own research. But I'm just showing you guys because I didn't feel like going through finding a good offer, right? Do your own due diligence. But what happens is you can make up to $358 in commissions because there's upsells with this product, and they have an affiliate page that does give you tools. Now, just because this converts and just because you're gonna make money with this doesn't mean it's actually gonna help people. And me personally, I only promote stuff that's gonna help people, right? But for this example, I'm gonna use 5-minute profit sites, right? So the first thing that we're gonna need once we find our offer, we're gonna go ahead and press. Well, the first thing is you wanna know what it looks like, right? So if you click this link, it's actually going to show you what the actual page looks like, right? And what I did was I literally just swiped the copy off of this page to create my sales funnel, right? So you could do this with any offer. If you notice, here's my offer. New controversial software exploits $12.3 million loophole and makes us $519 per day. And then guys, all this is done for you. You simply just have to copy paste profit, meaning copy. You go to the copy paste profit funnel, it'll be the first thing in the description. Then you're going to go ahead and actually just paste your own copy. So I literally use this from the video. I got this picture from Google. If you notice, getting rich, just got this picture from Google. And then I just added these three things right here. How to exploit 12.3. So obviously that's from the offer. A beginner can get results with no prior experience. And then how to leverage the system to do 95% of the work for you, right? Boom, my sales funnel is done in literally less than 5 minutes. So once we have the sales funnel, once you're inside ClickFunnels, right? You made it inside ClickFunnels. The next step is actually going to the settings and then going to general, right? And I know I'm moving very fast, but this makes sense, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to press promote, right? We're going to press promote, and they pay 75% commission. I'm going to press create, and they're going to go ahead and give me a affiliate link. Now, what I'm going to do is once I have grabbed access to the copy paste profit funnel, I'm going to go ahead and press integrations, not integrations, I'm going to press general. And what happens is once they submit, I'm going to go ahead and type it, put in my affiliate link, right? Oh, I don't want to save that as a template. We're just going to press save, right? Now, the next thing, guys, is integrations. You're going to actually integrate Aweber, right? That's later. And guys, the stuff I'm teaching you guys, there's people pay a lot of money for what I'm teaching you for free. So hopefully you're getting value from this, right? Now, look, an example, guys, with Aweber, I got 41 subscribers yesterday, 9 subscribers today so far, because I believe in passive income, and I'm shooting this video while I'm generating leads and generating sales to my business. So with that being said, next step, guys, is the email follow-up series. Now, we're not going to worry about driving traffic yet until our system is set up, right? So the first system is the sales funnel, right? The sales funnel is set up, and we connected the ClickBank offer to our sales funnel. Now, just to test it, you simply go to preview, right? And if I put in an email, fake, or actually Bill Brown at gmail.com, and I press get instant access. So basically what would happen if this was real, shut up. What's going to happen is you're going to be sending traffic to the sales funnel just like we did. They're going to put in their email, and once they put in their email, right, they're going to go ahead and get access to your sales presentation made by ClickBank. Now, we need to follow up with these people, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and go to Aweber. You're going to go ahead and create a list. Once you create a list, you're going to go to, you're going to create a list, and you're going to create a sign-up form. I'm not going to teach you guys how to do that. You're big boys and big girls. You guys can figure that out. And then next, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and create a legacy follow-up series, right? Now, if you notice, guys, I have 45 emails. So for my specific offer, it's not ClickBank related, but for my specific offer, I have 45 different email follow-ups, right? So the same goes for ClickBank. Now, you're probably like, man, I don't know how to create these emails. Cool. A good ClickBank offer will actually have emails done for you. So an example, what you would do is you would go to 5 Minute Profit Sites. You go to their affiliate page, which is literally on their website. You're going to go ahead and say, give me affiliate tools, your name, Eric Ellis, my email. I'm just going to put erice@gmail.com, so I'm not giving them my email. And then let's make money, right? Now what's going to happen is you're going to go ahead and get access to these affiliate tools. You're going to get access to these affiliate tools, and what you do is you go to email promos, right? Now, email promo number 1 is right here. And what we're going to do is we're going to copy, right? We're going to copy. And then let's just say, for an example, in Aweber, I'll go ahead and press create, drag and drop email builder. And then I'm going to go ahead and paste the email. The subject is going to be right here. The body is going to be right here. And then I'm just going to go ahead and, well, I like to have spaces in mind, so I'm just going to go ahead and add spaces on every one. And sorry guys, I'm a perfectionist, but this is how you do email marketing. And instead of you writing the emails, ClickBank does it for you. Boom. Now, just a forewarning, Aweber does not like ClickBank links. So the best way is to buy a domain at namecheap.com and to forward your domain to this ClickBank link. And then what you would do, shut up. And then best regards, I'd say Eric, right? I didn't even read the email. You can read the emails yourself, but I'm just showing you guys for an example. And then what I'm going to say is I'm going to say click here. And what I'm going to say is I'm going to say click here. And then guys, what you're going to do is you're literally going to go ahead and put right here, I'm going to bold this, then I'm going to put a link, yourdomain.com. So whatever your domain name is that you're forwarding to your ClickBank link, you're going to go ahead and actually put it for the call to action, right? Guys, I swear this is the best ClickBank tutorial somebody's ever created because nobody's going to go ahead and teach you guys all this stuff, right? Now what we're going to do is we're simply going to go ahead and save and exit. You'd usually preview and test, but I'm just going to go ahead and save and exit. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and press send options. I'm going to add it to my follow-up series. Add it to my follow-up series. Now what I'm going to do, guys, is literally they have 21 different emails. I'll go ahead and add the 20 different emails. And I didn't have to write the emails. They did it for me, right? Now, let's take a look. Step 1, check. We have the sales funnel. Step 2, check. We have the offer. Step 3, check. We have the email follow-up. So guys, all that means is the people who don't buy now are going to buy from those emails. And I didn't even create the emails. Look, you didn't create the funnel. Eric did. You didn't create the ClickBank offer. The ClickBank vendor did. You didn't create the emails. The ClickBank vendor did. Now all we have to do is figure out how to drive highly targeted traffic, right, to my sales funnel. What I'm going to be doing is sending highly targeted traffic to this sales funnel, right? And the way we're going to do that is we're going to use Udemy. Now, I practice what I preach, guys. Look, I bought Udemy ads, right, from people. And you can even look at the people that I've bought it for. I'm not here to hide, right? Sharing is caring. But the way you want to do Udemy, you go to udemy.com, UDIMI.com. And guys, everything that I'm talking about in this video, Aweber, Udemy, ClickFunnels, the copy paste profit funnel, everything will literally be in the resources section in the description. So don't worry about it. Don't pause this video. Get all the tools and resources after you finish watching this video, right? Now what we're going to do is we're simply going to go ahead and go to find sellers. Now what solo ads are, guys, are people who have huge freaking email lists. And what they're doing is they're going to go ahead and do an email broadcast, which is simply sending an email message to their offer, which are people within the Make Money Online niche. And you're simply going to go ahead and drive traffic from their email list. Now the cool thing is that these people who are on these email lists have already opted into an email list before. So you're going to get way higher conversion rates because these people aren't that skeptical because they're already on the email list. Number 2 is this is high quality traffic. If you notice, guys, we can actually filter the sellers by the percentage of people who reported buying their traffic and actually getting a sell, right? So if you can, the best highest quality traffic is people who have a 40% plus sales rate, right? So this guy, look, Brandon Sean, 258 likes, and literally 1 out of 2 people, 51% of the people who bought traffic with this guy have reported a sell. So what does that say? 1 out of 2 chances of you buying traffic with him, you're going to generate a sell, period, right? So those people who have never got results on ClickBank, who have never got results, guys, you're going to get results. You simply follow this setup, right? You get the copy paste profit funnel. As I did, here's the template. I just modeled it to the actual offer that I'm going to promote. I preview it. Cool, it works. I connect my affiliate link. Boom. This step is created. My emails, I simply went to the affiliate page. They had emails. I uploaded them to my Aweber account. As soon as somebody opts in for the next, if I was to do this specific email follow-up for the next 20 days, so 3 weeks, they're going to get email follow-ups. What are the chances of them buying? Very highly. And I didn't even write the emails. And last but not least, we just need to drive highly targeted traffic, which we're going to be doing with Udemy. Now, guys, if you guys watch this video and you guys apply this video, I guarantee you, I'm not going to say you're going to get sales on your first attempt, but if you do this over and over again, I guarantee you, you will get sales, number 1. Number 2 is you're going to go ahead and get leads, and you're going to start building an asset, which is an email list, which you're going to literally be able to print money with free traffic on demand. This is literally the best ClickBank tutorial that I've ever done, right? All right, guys, so with that being said, As stated before, that's one of the best ClickBank tutorials that I've ever created. I didn't leave anything out there. I did it very quickly because time is of the essence, but I did literally unveil everything. People aren't gonna do that. There's so many bullshit, crappy ClickBank tutorials out there that's not teaching you how to get real results, guys. I swear, I promise you, I cross my heart, hope to die, right? I'm not stating that you're gonna go ahead and get it your first time driving traffic, but if you consistently do this, and you save this video, bookmark this video, share it with people, because guys, this video right here is the best tutorial that I've made thus far, and I've made probably over 20 to 30 ClickBank videos, right? I don't hold anything back. So with that being said, guys, hopefully you guys like that. Give me a thumbs up if you guys like that video, right? Make sure to hit that subscribers button and hit that notifications bell, because I drop heat on the daily if you haven't noticed already. And as stated before, the copy-paste profit funnel that you're going to need to actually create this funnel to drive traffic to capture those leads will be the first link in the description. And you'll also get access to a free bonus training that will literally teach you guys. I invested into it. That's what taught me how to create these funnels. That has literally changed my freaking life, right? So hopefully you gain value from that. I appreciate you so freaking much. If this is your first time coming across my channel, your boy appreciates you. And as always, Eric Ellis Jr.